Good morning, everyone, and welcome again to another episode of How to Become a Digital Nomad. And today's episode is about another skill of of online skills, which is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically the fact is to sell or market a product that doesn't belong to you. So somebody created a product and he wants to sell it. He doesn't know how to sell it. So you come and you market that product for people, and if they buy it, you take a commission out of it. So it's great because you don't have to create or you don't have to manufacture anything. You look for products that already existed, and basically you just market them, and you don't have to deal with the client because you put the client in contact with the seller straight away and they contact each other. So as you can see, it's a great tool if you want to start without building like a big setup. So it's great for being a digital nomad because you can do it from whenever you are, wherever you are in the world, and you can market to anybody that this product can go to. So a few websites that do affiliate marketing are called ClickBank, MaxWeb, and DG24. So these are the three top ones. I think it's the last one is DG24, but I'm not sure. Anyways, if you want some more information about affiliate marketing, send me a message. I would love to help you. I am already learning it. I'm already doing it. And don't forget to subscribe on the website and listen to the YouTube. We have season 2 is on, and it's quite interesting. Last episode was yesterday, really nice episode with actually an affiliate marketeer. So it would be good to listen to it if you're interested in that subject. So yeah, register on the website as well, and I'll see you guys on another episode of How to Become a Digital Nomad. Bye.